In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and market a digital product using ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can help bring your ideas to life. First, we're going to dive right in by opening ChatGPT. So let's start by heading over to chat.openai.com. Once there, make sure to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time, you might need to set up an account, which is pretty straightforward. After you're logged in, you'll want to initiate a new chat so that you have a fresh slate to work with as you develop your digital product. Now, with a blank canvas before you, it's time to pick a digital product idea. If you're looking for inspiration, a good approach is to ask ChatGPT to suggest some ideas for you. For instance, you might type in a query asking for 10 beginner-friendly digital product ideas that require little to no upfront costs. Think along the lines of ebooks, templates, or guides. These options are particularly appealing because they can be produced with minimal financial risk and cater to a wide online audience. Keep in mind that your goal is to find something that not only interests you, but also has the potential to add value to others, which is crucial for a successful product. Once you have a list of possibilities, it's time to settle on one idea and outline your product. Let's say from the suggestions, you decide on a productivity planner. Next, you'll want an outline of this digital product. Ask ChatGPT to help you sketch a basic framework for a 20-page productivity planner. This should include various sections, page titles, and brief descriptions of what each page will entail. The clearer your outline, the easier it will be to develop informative and engaging content that resonates with your future users. With your outline in hand, it's time to generate content for each section of your planner. Let's focus on the daily planner page as an example. You can instruct ChatGPT to draft content that is motivational, beginner-friendly, and practical. Be sure to emphasize actionable advice and realistic goals so your users can easily incorporate it into their daily lives. The aim here is to create a page that boosts productivity and encourages daily engagement with the planner. Finally, it's time to consider how you'll sell this productivity planner. The sales copy is crucial, as it serves as the first impression and invites potential buyers to explore further. Using ChatGPT, write a concise product description that highlights the benefits, such as improved organization and increased productivity. Make sure it's persuasive, engages the reader's interest, and finishes with a compelling call to action, like download today. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a valuable digital product. Remember, the key to success lies in careful planning, meaningful content, and efficient marketing strategies. Good luck, and see you in the next video.